North Carolina, western Montgomery County and central North Carolina, western Randolph County and central North Carolina, Stanley County and central North Carolina, until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linwood to near Rockwell to near Midland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Lexington, Albemarle, Randleman, Baden Lake, North Carolina Zoo, Plyler, Fairview and Union County, Locust, and Norwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 92 and 99. Interstate 73 between mile markers 65 and 83. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Montgomery, and Stanley. The severe